Yo, what's up everybody? So before we start this video, I got a special video for you guys today. First off, we got our cards back. We sent off to HGA grading. We got them back, so we're going to be opening those here in a minute. As well, what I want to start off with, if you guys are interested in one of these slabs, so win one of these for free, make sure you guys like the video, make sure you subscribe, comment below which one you like the best. And the end of January, we will have a spin wheel, and I will do it live on stream, and I will have everybody's name on it who comments on this video. It's going to be on YouTube and it's going to be on TikTok, so I will have everybody's names on there. So make sure you guys like and follow. Alright, you guys, so we're going to do something interesting. So I have 5 Sun and Moon, I got 4 Chain Path, and 1 XY I'm going to open. So each pack that I open, if there's a hit card in there, it's going to be worth 2 points. If I get 6 points, I'm going to open XY. 10 points, I'm going to open a second XY pack. If I get 16 points, this base set pack is getting opened. So guys, let's go ahead and get to it. First one we're going to do are the Sun and Moons. So let's put these off to the side. Get the Sun and Moons right here. Right. Hopefully we can have some luck. I forgot what the trick is to these. Put that off to the side. Is it 3? I think it's 4. Let's go 4. We'll try that. Okay, yep, 4. Okay. Metapod, Torcat, Rainbow Ranger, that's really cool. Crab Brawler, Growlithe, Circus, Famontis, Morlo, and the Serena. So that is not a point on that one. So it has to be a hit. I really want to open that base set pack, honestly, to be honest with you. Code card. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Switch, Hypno. I ain't seen Hypno in a while. Potion, Rowlet, Yungoos, Torkoal, Litten, Stuffle, Reverse Hollow Hypno. I'm not sure the name of that one. Nothing so far. So we got nothing. Sun and Moon. I'm not sure if these code cards mean anything, the black code cards on the Sun and Moon. I can't remember if those do or not. So far we have no points yet, no pulls. Let's see, nothing, wow. Wow, nothing. 3 packs in, no pulls. Getting less and less likely to open that base set pack. It's getting less and less likely. So I guess the code card does not matter. Rainbow Energy, Konica, Stuffle, the Grimer. Hopefully we got something good in here. Let's see. Stuffle. And another stout one. Wow. Maybe we should have went a little bit lower on points, huh? Because as of right now, there's no way we're getting the 16. That's code card. Oh, I think something was in there. I think we got something. I think we might have something in this one. I hope so. It's the last pack. Last pack of magic on Sun and Moon. Nope. Oh, man. Nothing. Alright. So, Champion's Path. 2, 4, 8. So we still got a chance to get 10 points. Wow. That's horrible. Let's hope and pray. Champion's Path. I believe this is 3. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let's go with 3. Is it 4? Let's say. Okay, it is 4 in these. Okay, it is 4. Machoke, Kiboo, Full Heal. Come on, give us something. Of course, not a thing. So I actually seen, if you guys watch PokeRev, I actually seen him do something similar like this with points. Once you get so many points, he opens certain packs and stuff like that, vintage packs and stuff like that. I actually got this idea from him, so I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm like, might as well try it. So far, it is not in our favorite at all. I mean, yes, I get to keep them sealed, but at the same time, boo. We still have our HGA opening too. See what we have. Okay, Dreadnought V, we got our first hit. First hit. I'm putting them right there. Let's get a top loader for him in a second. Let's see. Alright. Let's put him in there. Centering is way off on that thing. My goodness. That centering is way off. Alright. 2 more packs, guys. 2 more packs. Oops, sorry. So my last video, Pokemon video, got some pretty good views. And I am very happy on that. Again, a few subscribers, which I am very thankful for, and I thank you guys, and I appreciate you guys for watching my videos, me opening these. So I enjoy it. I'm gonna try doing as much as I can, do more stuff, and try to do this all the time. Try to get some booster boxes and stuff like that, and nothing. And maybe do like, you know, let you guys purchase the packs and everything out of the booster box and go from there, you know, do a box break. I would enjoy doing that, honestly. If you guys let me know which should be our first booster box, let me know and I will do what I can to get one, and I will post how you guys can go purchase a pack and get into that. Scraggy Pokeball Potion. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. Psh. Wow. Let's see. Let's get to it. I'm telling you guys, I am seriously debating on opening this base set pack anyway. So these are really cool. I like this. There you go, guys. Now, I'm not sure. I think, pretty sure it's 3. I believe. If I'm mistaken, I do apologize. We're gonna go 3. Got the Great Ball. Got the Swirlix, Scatterbug, Doduo, Dolby, the Phantom. Yeah, I think we did it right. And Beedrill. Wow. Wow, guys. Well, Out of all those packs, this was our only hit. So I guess I'm going to keep those sealed, guys. But remember, like I said, we still have, if you guys are interested in one of these slabs, I'm going to give one of these away. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe or follow. And comment below which slab you would like to have the most out of all three of them. I'm going to show you guys these a little bit better. This is a Near Mint 6. It is a first edition Meowth from Holland Phantom, which is pretty cool. Then you got the Grumpig from EX Emerald 8.5. And then, of course, the Nidoran Japanese from Furthest Ends in a Mint 9. So those are those three. And let's get to the opening. It's been a while since I've got something back and been graded or graded anything. Oh, I guess you gotta cut the top open. My bad. Hold on. Alright, you guys. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. Gonna close that drawer. It's HGA. Very cool place. I highly recommend, honestly. They have some of the pretty cool slabs. The custom slabs, which are really cool. Alright, that's all those. Box go over there. Alright, guys, so not sure the order of these things, but we're going to go through these things. So let's see. HGA. Okay, we got the Dark Charizard, guys. We got the Dark Charizard. Let's see, Team Rocket. It's not first edition. It's not hollow. Ooh, 9.5. 9 on the corners, edges 8.5, surface 10, centering 9.5. Jeez. Oh, let me get this. Hold on. Let's see. All right, I like this one. This is the Italian Squirtle. 6.5. Okay, I was not expecting this to be high at all, honestly. Corners are 5.5, edges are 6.5. Centering is a perfect 10, though, and surface is 9. That's crazy. I was not expecting those to be like that, though. That's awesome. All right, the Shining Raichu. Not first edition. Wish it was. A 3. Wow, this one was heavily played. That's hurts, but I will take it, man. That's something to add to the collection. All right, the Venusaur EX from Pokemon 151. This is one of my most recent pulls. Yo, 9.5. 9.5. Corners are 9, edges 9.5, surface 9.5, centering 8.5. Was centering really off that much? No, that centering is... What do y'all think about that centering? 8.5? Yeah, that centering looks a lot better than that. That's crazy. Alright, this one right here, I know this is the Zapdos EX. Not that crazy of a card at all, I know, but hey, I wanted to get done. Yo, a 9.5. Yo, that's so close to being a 10. Wow. Dude, that's crazy. So overall, got 9-5, got the 9-5, got the 3, which is okay. Got the 6-5 and the Italian Squirtle. I love that card, honestly. And the 9-5 on the Dark Charizard. Alright guys, make sure you guys hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys next time.